So hey Fox, in the last video I have shared 5 most important things you should do in your first year of college life, in which I have discussed about why GPA matters, how to join clubs and societies, why learning is better than earning, how exercise can help you, why you should not be wasting time. So in this video I'll be sharing 5 mistakes that you should avoid in your first year of college life. A major mistake we all do that we don't wish to learn about investments and financial education. We think that अभी तो हमने पैसा कमाना शुरू ही नहीं किया, then why should we care about all of this? But that's a very wrong idea. As Sir Sandimeshwari said, at least give 2 to 3 years in learning about financial education and investment. You can also read books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Broke Millennials, Coffee Can Investing, etc. Also, for a passive income, you first must have an active income source. One of the most common mistakes that the most freshies do is that they don't talk with the opposite gender. Especially अगर आप boys school या girls school से आए हो और you are a shy type of person, then you generally do this mistake. When you talk with the opposite gender, that is अगर आप एक लड़का हो तो जब तुम लड़की के साथ बात करते हो या फिर अगर तुम एक लड़की हो तो जब तुम एक लड़के के साथ बात करते हो, you develop your communication skills. It lets you increase your confidence in talking with other people. It lets you increase your connections. Also, it makes you understand the mindset of other genders. So try to have conversation with the opposite gender. And if you are introvert like me, then you can avoid conversations, but at least increase your confidence on public speaking. We all want to be inside our comfort zones, so we don't usually do something extra, something unique, something different in our life. I know it's very tough to get out of your comfort zone, but if you want to achieve something big, something greater in your life than what others are doing, then you have to come out from your comfort zone. You have to constantly push yourself up and have to face lots and lots of pain and problems. वो कहते हैं ना, लोहे को चमकाने के लिए उसे पहले जलाना पड़ता है. In this era, you must be skilled with public speaking. But we don't give that much value to our public speaking skills as we give to our academics. There are many hidden benefits when you know how to speak effectively in public. Also, developing public speaking is a great way to overcome your fear. You should always meet with new people, develop your critical thinking skills, and build your leadership qualities. We all want to earn money, especially in our college life. So to earn money, you should know a skill. Basically, when you were in high school, you don't get enough time to develop a skill. So from the first year onwards, you should develop a skill. If you don't start learning a skill as early as possible in your college life, then you will not earn money as early as possible. So skills like video editing, digital marketing, social media management, content creation, data analytics, etc. are few of the most demanding skills right now in the market. So choose the skill in which you are interested in and start your hustle. So this is the bonus tip. You should track your expenses. So when you start tracking your expenses, you get a different perspective of when and how you are spending your money. This can help you to stay within your budget and also increase your savings. So with good personal finance management, you can learn to control your money and achieve your financial goals. You may find this bonus tip non-helpful right now, but if you follow this advice, I guarantee you will thank me in future. So yeah, that's the 5 mistakes you should avoid in your college life. And if you have any suggestions or any advices, then please let me know in the comment and let us all know in the comment. Thanks for watching. Keep struggling, keep hustling. And if you're watching till now, please subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye.